Good evening, I'm Clayton Baumgarth. About 4,000 Duke Energy customers in Vigo County are still without power after a weekend of storms. A spokesperson says they expect power to return by 6 p.m. tonight.
Well, the hardest hit part of our service area was West Central Indiana. And so we still are working on restoring outages, the last of them in Terre Haute, Clayton, and Brazil areas.
Prodiger says that over 300,000 outages were reported over the last 5 days. That number represents 1/3 of all the customers they serve throughout the state. Sojourn House, a nonprofit serving women who've been trafficked and exploited, says the county's denial to grant them a zoning variance is discrimination. Residents spoke against the zoning variance, saying the house is inappropriate for a group home for women.
When you start talking about, oh, these kind of people are going to bring down my property values, or these kind of people aren't fit to live in this kind of setting, you're making judgment calls.
Muncie says only 1 to 5% of Monroe County properties are available to the nonprofit. And finally tonight, the Justice Fiscal Advisory Committee says reentry services for those leaving jail could be more effective if they had more resources and better collaboration.
We have a lot of social service programs and organizations, and I feel like everybody just kind of works in their own pocket, but we don't all work together.
Reentry to the community involves many social services, with even some grassroots organizations to help with health care, housing, employment, or even getting a copy of a birth certificate. And now for a look at weather tonight. Low of 68 degrees, mostly clear skies. And as we get into the rest of the week, pretty low temperatures, low 80s with chance of showers on Thursday. For more local news, go to WTIUnews.org and catch Indiana News Desk Fridays at 6.